Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for a way to make your bed even more comfortable? That is possible thanks to this great bamboo mattress topper. This is from Acnalboma, and this topper is a beautiful bamboo fabric that really adds into all of the comfort that you already might have in your mattress. We have a king size bed, and this fit perfectly over the mattress. I was a little bit nervous that the wide bands would not really stay in place, but they have been with no problem. This is a beautiful plush material that not only feels really comfy to sleep on, but also it feels great because it doesn't overheat. I actually find that I'm more overheated from my blankets than from this topper. So I'm really impressed by that cooling feature that it has and how comfortable that it makes your sleep. Once you get the sheets over the mattress pad, you can see that it just looks like you're sleeping on a cloud. It's nice and comfy and cozy. The topper is a nice textured cotton feel fabric, so it really feels comfortable to the touch. And overall, we're just really impressed with how much that this adds to our already comfy mattress, but who doesn't want more comfort when you're sleeping? But that's my point of view.